HEL Performance are really excited to unveil our latest product, which is a race caliper. Machined in-house on our own milling machines out of 6082 T6 aluminium. The caliper ends up being nickel plated for corrosion resistance and for good looks, with the HEL logo on it, all designed and produced in-house in Devon. They come with stainless steel sliding pins with R-clips to keep the pad pin in place, road pads or race pads, 4 32mm stainless steel pistons, and we've still even been able to keep the weight down of the product. They are a beautiful addition to any bike and they perform superbly well. The product's taken 2 years in development. It's been on track for the last year in certain championships and done really well. It's been used on track days to great applause. Everyone that's used them has said that the pistons come straight back off the pads as quickly as you take the pressure off the master cylinder. It's been really well received and we're hoping it's going to do really well in the marketplace for us.